AI tools can now generate WordPress sites quickly. There's a lot of AI slop also. What kind of impact are you starting to see it because of it?
It's actually hard to copy the exact features with AI that even the basic WordPress could provide. And it's actually easier to maintain because the code base is there and it's not risky. Because with AI, sometimes who knows what could happen. Hi, my name is Irfani. I'm originally from Indonesia, but I've been living here in Poland for almost 5 years now. I work for an agency called Edamame Agency, and we do web design and web development for custom website.
How many WordCamps have you been to?
Actually, this is my first time. Yeah, and I'm so lucky to be here. It's such a great event, and also today I gave a lecture, like a workshop, so I feel good now.
How did that go?
It went well.
What was the workshop about and how could it help maybe other agencies and developers?
My background is informatics engineering and an MBA background. So naturally, my way of thinking is to approach the client requirement from the technical and engineering part and the business mindset. And I had this knowledge about business model canvas from my MBA study. So every time there is a client, I try to at least make a mental picture of their framework, their business models. So by this way of thinking, I try to make it on the business model canvas, so it helps me to create a better website. Our clients, they don't care about the technical aspects. What they know and what they want is a great working website.
Yes.
And it should be useful for their business. It support their business and bring them customers and value and income. One of the examples that I gave in the presentation today, an e-commerce company coming to us, and they came with strict regulations following an Italian rules, and that they need cheaper products because of the law. In the beginning, it wasn't clear, but thanks to this business model canvas mindset, it's helped me to see this problem and even dig deeper. So then you put yourself not only in your shoes as a developer, but also on their shoes as a business owner. When you are in their mindset, it gives me ideas as a developer, give them more ideas too, what they can do to their website. Maybe not now, but suggestions, improvement for the future.
AI tools can now generate WordPress sites quickly. There's a lot of AI slop also. Are clients starting to come to you asking for either AI features or tools or coming with an AI generated website? And what kind of impact or change are you starting to see in the market because of it?
You can build simple websites with AI, but I think because WordPress is actually very powerful, it's actually hard to copy the exact features that even the basic WordPress could provide. Moreover, when you combine it with other plugins or custom plugins, so it could be so powerful. And it's actually easier to maintain because the code base is there and it's not risky. Because with AI, sometimes who knows what could happen. But with using WordPress, and then you could leverage the website with the true developer and you could customize it further. It's so rare that we have to develop custom plugins. Yeah.
How is WordCamp going for you? Is it interesting? What are your first impressions?
My first impression is very amazing. I like the atmosphere, the networking, the people, the facilities as well. It's amazing. The food is tasty. A lot of food, a lot of snacks, and even the facilities is all provided. So I'm very impressed. Great work for the committees, the organizer. Amazing. Proud of you guys.